using search to find a setting on your iPhone. First, you need to get into this icon where it says settings. Then there should be a search field right at the top. If not, just scroll down. Just pull on the screen. There's the search. Start typing the setting that you're looking for. I'm looking for auto lock. I just type auto and there is auto lock. And if yours is set to 30 seconds, that means your screen is going dark really quickly. I like 2 minutes. One more thing to know about the settings is that once you've been in there and when you go back, it goes back to the place there where you left off. So if you want to search for another setting, you need to know to go back. You need to keep going back until you get to the main screen and you see a search. Then you can search for something else, like camera grid lines. I like mine on. So that's how you use search to find a setting in iPhone and iPad.